Is loss the occasion for grief, or is it the gateway to freedom and elation? Depends on who you lost, eh? Yeah. So you see, you don't have to mourn loss at all. You can see that loss is the occasion. You know, let's say you own a whole head of cattle and they're all dead by morning, some terrible disease. Well, you don't have to get up and milk them, I'll tell you that. And 4 o'clock in the morning in the Midwest through the snow and the ice and pitch blackness with snow up to here and walk through all that cattle poo to milk this thing. All right, so every loss then can be recontextualized as an opportunity for freedom. As valuable as that possession may have been, it still is the opportunity now to discover a new life. The company collapses, you lose your position. Is that a loss? It is only if you hang on to the past. What is really going on is you're afraid of the freedom that the dissolution of that commitment now opens up. You're now free to become anything you want, go anywhere you want. Are you going to stay in the same part of the world, same part of the country? Are you? In other words, it's sort of scary, the immensity of the freedom that you had, see? All right, so ranking then would be just a projection that we project onto this. And the question often arises, how do you seek perfection in any and all conditions? Because perception is a projection, and you will find what you're looking for. That's the whole basis of quantum mechanics. The reason they stopped calling things measurements is because what is found is the consequence of what you're looking for. The observed is then seen as a function of the observer. The observer. The observer is what determines what's observed. Huh?